Hey everyone, welcome back to Desire. Today, we're testing Microsoft's powerful new MAI-Image-2.6, which just hit number 2 on the global leaderboard, and I'll show you how to access it completely free and unlimited. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive right in. This is the homepage of the Arena AI website, and I'll leave links to all the platforms I use in the description below. On this platform, you can test a wide variety of AI models and also check out their global benchmarks and rankings. Once you're on the site, click on the Leaderboard tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can view the official AI rankings, which are scored and ranked based on public blind testing and community votes. Since we want to work with image generation models, hover your mouse over the Image tab at the top. You'll see two options, Text-to-Image and Image Edit. We want to see which models currently dominate the text-to-image category, so let's click on that. As you can see right here, GPT-Image-2 holds the top spot and currently ranks as the best text-to-image generator available. Sitting right below it in the second spot is Microsoft's brand new model, MAI-Image-2.6 Preview. It was released very recently, packs tremendous power, and that's exactly what we're exploring today. Clicking on MAI-Image-2.6 takes us directly to the official Microsoft AI announcement page. Here, you can read through everything Microsoft shared about this model and see how significantly it has improved compared to its predecessor, version 2.5. The leap in quality is night and day. Further down the ranks, you'll find Grok Imagen 2, Rev A 2.1, Muse Image, and several other models, all of which I plan to test one by one and compare in future videos. To kick things off, I need some solid prompts, so I'm heading over to ChatGPT. I'll enter the following prompt. Give me 9 different, highly effective prompts, all prompts for 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's hit generate and wait for ChatGPT to write them out. You can specify any aspect ratio you like. I chose 16:9 for a widescreen format. I asked for a diverse set of prompts so we could test a few distinct scenarios and generate images with them. The first prompt here is for a cinematic portrait, which I'll go ahead and copy. Now, let's generate the image using Microsoft's Image AI, which you can access over at the Microsoft AI Playground. Right at the top, you'll see the new 2.6 model, and below it, there are several preset templates you can experiment with as well. One quick heads up, this playground comes with generation limits. You can typically generate around 7 to 10 images before hitting a cap. But don't worry, I'll show you how to use it completely free and without limits toward the end of the video. Let's paste our prompt here and hit generate. While the image is rendering, let's hop back to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, if you click on the image option on the left, you can also generate images using GPT-Image-2. However, because I generate a heavy volume of images, I've hit my usage limit here and can't create any right now. Heading back to Microsoft Playground, our image is ready. Let's click on it and inspect the details together. The quality is genuinely outstanding. The facial details on the man and the wet, soaked texture on his jacket look phenomenal. Take a close look at the wet rock he's leaning against. The light reflection is handled beautifully. The background bokeh is smooth, and the character looks remarkably authentic and natural. Now let's jump back to ChatGPT to pick another prompt. This time, I'm selecting a macro photography shot showing the internal exploded view of an object, just to see how well it renders intricate internal mechanisms. Let's copy the prompt, head back to Microsoft Playground, paste it into the prompt box, and hit generate. Generation takes a bit longer than some other image models, roughly about a minute. The image is done, let's take a look. Absolutely stunning, crisp, and high fidelity. It rendered the internal mechanical components of a wristwatch with incredible precision. The gears look just like an authentic luxury watch, and pay attention to the depth and realistic shadowing between each tiny cogwheel. From this button, you can download the full resolution image straight to your computer. Next, I asked ChatGPT for another prompt featuring a storefront with the explicit text, "Open 24 hours." I want to test how accurately this model renders written text, whether it makes spelling mistakes or produces sharp, legible lettering. Let's copy the generated prompt and try to generate it here. As expected, I've now hit the generation limit because I've already created multiple images during testing. If you've enjoyed the video up to this point, please drop a like on the video, and let's move on to the method that lets you use this new Microsoft tool completely free. Let's navigate over to Arena AI. On the new chat interface, click the menu option at the top and select Direct Chat. Next, we need to choose our model. Simply switch to the Image tab and search for MAI-Image-2.6, then select it from the list. In the input field below, paste the prompt we generated with ChatGPT, hit Generate, and let's wait for it to process. Our image is ready, let's open it up. Flawless. The sign above the store displays the exact text I requested without a single typo. What's even better is that it generated noticeably faster here than on Microsoft's own Playground site. Another impressive detail is the reflection of neon light on the wet ground, rendered with pinpoint realism. Now, let's test something even more advanced, generating a full storyboard. I'll head back to ChatGPT and give it this request. Give me storyboard prompt for sushi cooking with Ghibli-style. Let's generate the prompt, copy it, jump back into Arena AI, paste it, and hit Generate. The render is complete, let's check it out. This looks fantastic. It captured that signature Studio Ghibli art style, illustrating the sushi making process scene by scene and step by step. The text integration is razor sharp too, it placed clean, concise scene descriptions underneath each panel with the visual frame right above it. This immediately gave me the idea of producing an entire animated video workflow using this technique, which I'll definitely cover in an upcoming dedicated tutorial. You can follow this exact same workflow with any of your custom prompts and generate images on Arena AI completely free. And since there isn't a dedicated aspect ratio selector, simply append your desired ratio, like 16:9, directly to the end of your prompt. That wraps up our test of Microsoft's new MAI-Image-2.6. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on its quality. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the Desire channel so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. All links are in the description. See you in the next one.